Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Fitpolo smartwatch for women, a versatile device compatible with both Android and iPhone, featuring a stunning 1.8-inch HD screen and over 102 customizable watch faces. This smartwatch is equipped with Alexa voice control, allowing you to ask questions, control music, and check the weather, while also enabling Bluetooth calling so you can answer or make calls directly from your wrist. With 24/7 health monitoring, this fitness tracker records your steps, distance, calorie consumption, and even monitors heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns, syncing all data to your phone for comprehensive health insights. Boasting over 105 sports modes and an IP68 waterproof rating, it's perfect for tracking a wide range of activities, from running and cycling to swimming and yoga, ensuring you stay active and healthy. Stay connected with notifications from SMS and popular apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, and enjoy additional features such as medication reminders, cycle tracking, music control, and more. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones and Android smartphones, the Fitpolo smartwatch offers a long battery life of up to 7 days with typical use, ensuring you stay powered throughout your busy week. Plus, with a 3-year guarantee and 24/7 tech support, you can enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.